Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to crochet a colorful flower vase, a perfect decoration for your room or a handmade gift for someone special. Grab your yarn and hook, and let's crochet something beautiful together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cute crochet ideas. Let's begin. For round 1, make a magic ring and crochet 8 single crochets into the ring. Tip, pull the tail tightly to close the ring neatly. You're doing great. Let's move on. Now increase in each stitch around. That means 2 single crochets in each stitch. You'll have 16 stitches at the end. Nice job. Keep your tension even for a smooth base. Next, do 1 single crochet, then increase. Repeat the sequence 8 times around. You're shaping the base now. Well done. In this round, single crochet, increase, then single crochet, repeat 8 times. Tip, use a stitch marker to keep track of your rounds. Let's do 3 single crochets, then an increase. Repeat that 8 times. Great work! Your circle should be getting larger and flatter. Now we switch to double crochets, working in back loops only. Make 40 double crochets around. This creates the bottom edge of the vase. Keep going. You're doing amazing. For the next 3 rounds, we do 3 double crochets, then 1 double crochet in the front loop only. Repeat that 10 times each round. This adds beautiful texture to the vase body. In this round, do 1 DC, 1 DC increase, and 1 DC in the front loop only. Repeat 10 times. Tip, spread your increases evenly for a nice shape. Now do 1 DC increase, then 1 DC in the front loop only, and repeat 10 times. Your vase is blooming just like your crochet skills. Continue with 1 DC and 1 DC in the front loop only. Repeat 10 times for each round. This builds height and keeps the design clean. You're so close. Now do 1 DC increase and 1 DC in the front loop only. Repeat 10 times. Your vase is expanding slightly again. Keep it steady. Last round. Do 1 DC increase, another DC increase, then 1 DC in the front loop only. Repeat 10 times. Finish off the base with a neat fasten off. Take a deep breath. You did it. Now let's crochet a cute flower. Start with a magic ring and make 5 single crochets into it. Pull tight to close the ring. It's a small start to something pretty. Here comes the petals. Chain 4, 2 extended stitches, chain 4, slip stitch. Repeat this 5 times, once in each stitch. And just like that, you have a sweet little flower. And that's it. You've just crocheted a beautiful, colorful vase with a cute flower to top it off. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next crochet adventure.